Hi, my name's Dan, and this is a quick little video of how to get the operating system version from the terminal. Under Linux, you can type uname-a, and that will give you the full version number of your distro. So it will be something like Linux, the name of the computer, the kernel version, and the sort of date time it was created and whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. So you can see my version here for one of my servers. And then you can narrow it down by passing, instead of -a, -sr, and that gives you the software release. So Linux and the kernel version. But on macOS it is like that. So we could type uname-a, and what that will do is it will tell you it's Darwin, the kernel, and the version of Darwin, which it may or may not be what you want. And we can just do software SR again. So if that's what you want, great, video done, perfect. Most people, if they want access to the operating system version, want the macOS version, not the version of Darwin. And to get that, there's a little utility called sw_vers. If we just run that, that gives us macOS, product version, and the build version. And you probably just want the product version. Each one of these lines you can actually use as an argument to this software, or to this command. So if I do -product version, it was with a lowercase letter, then that will just dump out that particular parameter. So if you wanted to know what version I'm running, it's Big Sur, basically 11.3.1. And that also works for the product name as well. Product name, and also the build version. Might be able to, no. Okay, so if we wanted both bits of information, we'd have to do both at the same time. So something like, and so we can do that, and that will give us the combined version of the product name and the product version, but it's on two separate lines, which you may or may not want. If you don't want it, then what we can do, we can wrap it in a subshell. And then you can do whatever you like with it. So we don't have to send it to Echo. We could write it to the file system. Oh, we probably do need to echo it to the file system. Or if you want to, I don't see why not, you could
macOS 11.3.1
have the computer tell it to you for some reason. Hope this helps. If you want to know more, check out my book. I'll see you in the next video.